I'm slicing some bamboo shoot here. In Hawaii, they have a lot of bamboo shoot. You know what? This is another dish inspired by my good friend, the big-hearted Sam Choi. I always say, Sam Choi, you're big. You know why he's big? Because he has a big heart. He's very generous. He gave me his knife, his cutting board, his ladle. That's why he's so generous. I julienne this. Put it all over here and set it aside and put it on. This is bamboo shoot. Hawaii, as I said, Hawaii has a lot of bamboo, so that's why. And then, of course, I have some long beans here. I'm going to do some stir-fried Chinese vegetable with bean cooked puff, just like Sam is doing. Okay, put it right over here. This is the long beans. And also, for extra flavoring, you don't have to put this in the recipe. This is Chinese celery. Okay, also cut it up because enhance the flavor of my dish. Okay, and then I'm going to get ready to stir fry. Okay, heat up your frying pan. Put a tiny bit of oil there, and then put garlic, chopped garlic, and then put all of these ingredients right here and saute. I have bamboo shoot, long beans, mushroom, bean sprout, already trimmed the end, and bamboo shoot. Everything is right here, okay? You know, a lot of times people don't realize simple dish, great dishes can be very simple. This is a classic example. See, this is a very home-style dish. It's so simple to do, but it's a great dish. That's why I always talk with people, if Yan can walk, so can you. And then toss. And then we're going to continue to stir this and put some bean curd puff, deep fried tofu right in here. This will absorb the flavor. And then put a tiny bit of homemade soup stock right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Toss the food. You want to have some extra color. I have good news for you. I went to Chinatown this morning and I opened the bees vegetable. I have some flowering garlic chive here, and I have some, beautiful Asian eggplant. I would like to incorporate this into my dish too, because this is very sweet, very nice. And I put this in, and I throw it in right there. And then I also put a tiny bit of eggplant. I cut it roll cutting technique. Roll cutting technique. Add color and texture to my dish. You know what? If you want red color, this is for you. Sam Choi loves chili, so I'm going to, this is Sam, this is for you. Okay? And then I'm going to enhance the flavor by putting a tiny bit of sesame seed oil, and a tiny bit of wine, sweet rice wine. In Hawaii, they do a lot of Japanese cooking, and they love sweet rice wine. And then, of course, tiny bit of white pepper, tiny bit of sugar, tiny bit of soy sauce, and a tiny bit of oyster flavor sauce, if you want. And then you continue to talk. These are vegetarian oyster flavor sauce. And this is, you don't want to overcook any of these vegetables. This is so beautiful, okay? And then make sure you get everything ready so you can serve, okay? Now, whenever you serve, always remember to thicken this up so you get the flavor out of it, okay? Right in the middle, where the boiling liquid is, you put it in right in the middle. The boiling liquid is right here. If you want more sauce, very simple. All you have to do is put a tiny bit more extra vegetarian broth. And this is so colorful and so beautiful. Everybody can do this dish at home. Great dish can be very simple. And this is a classic example of what I am talking about. The whole dish is done. Look at this. Whoa! This is what I call delicious bean curd puff with Chinese